Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to install CANVA on PC. To start, open Windows Store, go to search for CANVA and click on the app. When accessing this application, click on Install and you must wait for the CANVA download to complete. When the download is complete, you will wait a moment for CANVA to be installed locally. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After that, double-click on the CANVA shortcut on the desktop to access it. Use any option to sign in with your account. And then confirm that CANVA can be opened from the app. It is now possible to use CANVA on your laptop. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.